Hi, I'm Dr. Shirlene Reeds, and I'm really happy to see you here. And I hope I get to meet you personally. I just wanted to add a little bit of information about where I came from. And I tell this story on stages all over the world. I just spoke in London last December, and it was just amazing because I was standing there in the middle of all these people talking about how I'd only had 15 cents in the pocket and built my business over a period of 17 years to millions with a $10,000 a month income. And now I teach that to small business owners and entrepreneurs looking for the answers for why they're not able to sell their program. I love working with people who've been with other coaches because I can take what they've already developed and get them earning money right away. That's always my goal. And I know how to do it because I've done it myself. So I just want to say thanks so much again for coming by, and I look forward to meeting you personally someday.